Life in the lockdown in Riyadh has been quite hectic. We are doing well in all our projects right now. So I have been getting hardly any time to cook anything. So I'm basically surviving on boiled food. Today I decided that I will not have boiled food, instead I will have something special. So I decided to cook prawn curry. Now, apart from cooking it, I thought I will make a video of it just for the sake of entertainment. So I made a video of this cooking of my prawn curry. I hope you will enjoy. Today I am going to cook my prawn dish. I do not know what to call this dish. However, I will show you how I cook it. So let's start. So this is half a kg of prawn. I got this from the supermarket. The supermarket fellow cleaned it and gave it to me. So I don't have any work to do on this other than wash it and use it. So this is half a kilo of prawn. I take one full garlic and I take two tomatoes and four chilies. So the first step is to chop the garlic into very small pieces. So let's do that. So the garlic is all chopped now. So next we chop the tomato into very small slices. I don't exactly need much specs for this activity, so this was there by mistake. So now the tomato is also chopped. It's all ready. Last, we just slice the chilies. So there it's all done now. So we are ready to move to the next stage. We just need one more ingredient, that's a lemon. A little bit of lemon, not a full lemon, but about quarter of a lemon, or maybe one third of a lemon. That's it. Now, take a pan and put it on low heat. Put it on low heat. Next, let the pan become little bit hot. Add oil. I am using sunflower oil. Let the oil heat for a few minutes. Now the oil is hot enough, so I lower the flame and add the garlic. I'll fry the garlic. Still, it is slightly brownish. So till that time, I will fry the garlic. The important thing is you should not allow the garlic to burn. Now you see that the garlic has sort of browned. I will fry it for a little bit more time so that it is a little bit more brownish. Okay, I think we are done. Now what I do is I take turmeric, turmeric and add 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Maybe make it 3. Let the turmeric get little bit fried for about a minute. I keep the music on because the music helps me in timing. Okay, now I think we're done. Now take the tomatoes and put it in this pan. So the tomatoes are in the pan. I'll fry it for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes is one Hindi song. Keep stirring it a little bit, otherwise it may stick to the pan. Now the tomato is fried. So now next step is to add salt. So add salt. I add salt according to my taste. I don't eat too much salt. So I will add a little bit. Okay, that's it. Just mix the salt. Now add the chilies. Stir it for a little while. So the tomatoes have now settled into a nice gravy. So at this stage, add the prawns. Mix it. Now I leave it on the flame for about 10 minutes. Well, the camera ran out of battery at this stage. Anyway, this is the end result. My prawn curry. Now I am extremely hungry as I have not had breakfast, so I am straight heading for lunch.